Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a threshold. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you need to do is to change the background of your picture to white in order to make the threshold pop. And secondly, go to Image, Adjustments and Threshold, and now move the slider to, let's say, I think 55 is okay. So now you have your threshold. This is the final results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.